Then when you see a news item, can you please verify before sharing? This will make you use the page address of how to verify fake news from legit news. Number one, investigate first. So, when you see an item, you should check the other news that is related to that particular news item. This will verify or this will make you verify whether it is fake news or not. Verify before sharing. Not share, not share. You are you are supposed to be a responsible netizen. So i-verify nyo yun bago kayo mag-share. Number 3, website check. So this is the most important thing kasi kapag unreliable yung website, it's fake news. Kapag unreliable ang website, it is fake news. So, number 4. Number 4, read. So, kahit na ayaw nyo magpasa, basahin nyo kahit konti. And then, malalaman nyo naman kung fake nyo o hindi. It's your discretion to read the news. Number 5, check nyo yung author. Kung kilala yan or kung newscaster man yan or hindi, i-check nyo. Kapag walang author ang isang website, malamang fake news. Hindi kasi masabi na lahat ay fake news. Pero pumunta tayo sa unang ulit, investigate if that author is fake or not. Diba? Tama. Okay, check. Check the date. So, baka naman nakaraan na yun. Tapos, binurot up lang. Para magka-sensation na lang. So, check nyo yung date. And then, other supporting sources. So, dun sa baba ng mga news items, may sources yan. Kung wala, investigate ulit. Punta tayo sa first investigation. Yung number. The next one. Parody account. Alam niyo ba yung parody account? Ang parody account, yung mga fake account ng mga politiko, mga celebrity. So, doon mostly nagkakaproblema. Yun yung main source ng fake news. Yung mga parody account. Wala pa ako ng parody account. Kasi hindi pa ako sikat. Charot. So, bias. So, kapag may kinikilingan yung news at hindi niya binurot out yung design, ayun na yun, fake news na number, ask the expert. Pwede nyo email. Nasagot naman sila Senator Angara. Pwede nyo email sila dapat just to verify. So, let me remind you na let us be a responsible netizen by thinking before sharing. Ask yourself, is this news going to be healthy for my friends, my family members, mental health? Kasi nakaka-apekto yan sa anxiety attack. So, love, bye! Bye-bye.